Next up, we'll play through it again with some different visuals. We'll have the Guitar Pro neck diagram, tablature, and standard notation. After that, we'll go through this arrangement step by step. If you enjoy this content, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. And leave a comment or a question down below. We have a short optional intro, which plays the bass line in unison, and then we move on to the chord melody. Feel free to use this as a starting point for your own playing and adapt it to what you like. Okay, well, let's get started. Let's get started with the step-by-step. So this is an optional intro, which basically doubles the bass part as played by Butch Warren on the Page 1 album by Joe Henderson. So we'll go over that in case you want to include that. So you're gonna play like this in position 3. So fret 3, 6, 5, going to string 2, 5 and 5 on strings 3 and 4. And then we go to string 1, and then back to string 4. Okay, and then we kind of start that out again. And then we're going to discontinue the bass line and move into the melody. We have a pickup into the melody phrase here with fret 12 on string 3. Okay, now we have C minor 6 in first inversion. Lift away finger 3, and then we move to position 10 for C minor 6 in root position. Move away finger 2 to play fret 10. We'll move into yet another inversion. Third inversion. Okay, and then we're going to play this B flat note on string 1 fret 6, just a single tone, but you could work in a C minor chord or something like that in there. But moving into F minor 7 here. F minor 9, and then F minor 6, which you could put over B flat. You could look at this as B flat 9 as well. Okay, now that same chord voicing becomes D minor 7 flat 5 in root position. Okay, then we move over to fret 11 on string 1 and set up another inversion of D minor 7 flat 5, and then going to G, play a single note there on fret 8 string 1, and then we're going to G7 sharp 9. Okay, and then we're going to take finger 4 off, and then we go to C minor 6. Okay, then we're going to go up to position 10 play C minor 6, and then, well, C minor 11 really, and then over to C minor 6. Okay, now we have a key change. We're going to the key of D flat. So we're starting on E flat minor. Finger 4 on fret 9, single tone, and then we go to E flat minor 6. Single tone on fret 6. A flat 13. Okay, then we're going to play single tone 7th fret string 2. D flat major 7, really it's a sus4 at this moment. Okay, and then we play fret 6 with a single tone, and then we're going to go over to position 3. Okay, with the D flat major 13. Okay, and then we're going to play some chordal harmony here. D flat 6-9. Now our key is moving back to C minor. So we're going to play first inversion D minor 7-5-5. And we'll just accommodate the melody. And then we're going to set up G7. This is actually flat 9, natural 5 at this moment. And then we go into G7, sharp 9, sharp 5, or you might call it flat 13. Okay, and you get fret 4, single tone, and then C minor 6-9. Okay, now we repeat the chord melody arrangement. Let's go through it again because it's often played 2 times. When you're arranging this, you might choose to play it chord melody 1 time and do single tones another time. So something to consider there. We have our pickup note into the melodic line here. Okay, position 13. Okay, again, playing that 13. We're going to 13th fret. We're going to try to keep these chords rolling in most circumstances, ringing out. Okay, position 10. Okay, just like before. Okay, and then moving into the F minor 7. Again, F minor 9. When you're playing this, you may view this as a B flat 9 or as a F minor 6. Really depends on what the bass player is doing. Okay, now we have D minor 7 flat 5. So we end up with the same voicing. Fret 11, fret 10 with the chord voicing, fret 8, and then G7, sharp 9, sharp 5, and then the flat 9, the same voicing underneath, and then we have C minor 6. Moving up to position 10. Okay, C minor 6. We have our key change, E flat minor 7. This is E flat minor 6. A flat 13. And then D flat, got sus4 in there. Then we have major 13. And then D flat 6-9. Okay, now we have first inversion, D minor 7 flat 5. Switch our chord voicing over here a little bit. C minor 6-9. Check out the description down below for a legal use by permission copy of this arrangement. There you can also find links to sign up for lessons, coaching, or consultation to improve your playing or your project recordings. Thanks for watching this recording and good luck with your progress on this tune. Enjoy your practice session.